Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to provide a solution to this very simple exponential equation, which is 3 raised to the power of x squared divided by 9 to the power of x equal to 729. All right, let's get started. I would like to transform 1, 2, 3 in such a way all will have a common base. Already this is to base 3, and I know that I can transform 9 in terms of base 3, which is 3 squared. So we have 3 raised to the power of x squared divided by, instead of 9 we have 3 squared, but because of this power of x, the 2 and the x will multiply, so we have 2x. This is equal to 729 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 6. So we have 3 raised to the power of 6. According to one of the laws of indices, since we are dividing here and we have common bases, we can take a base and subtract the exponents from top to bottom. So we have x squared minus 2x. And this remains 3 to the power of 6. From left to right, we have common bases, and hence we can equate the exponents. So x squared minus 2x will have to be equal to 6. And if you rearrange it, x squared minus 2x, as this crosses over, it becomes negative, and this is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation in terms of x, right? So the leading coefficient here is naturally 1, right? Therefore, our a is equal to 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is negative 2, and the constant is negative 6. Therefore, x will be equal to minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let us plug in these values into this formula. X will be equal to minus b. B is already negative 2. Once you negate it, it becomes positive 2. Plus or minus into square root of b squared. What does that mean? Okay, let me just write it. We have negative 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 1. C is negative 6. Divide by 2 times 1. Negative 2 squared is 4. And we have negative 4 times 1, which is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 6 is positive 24. And that positive 24 plus this 4 will give us positive 28. So this is equal to 2 plus or minus into square root of 28 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. We know that 28 can be expressed as 4 multiplied by 7, because the biggest factor of 28, which is also a perfect square number, is 4. So this is the same thing as 2 plus or minus into square root of 4 multiplied by 7 divided by 2. Let us finish it all over there. And x will be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, so you bring it out, but square root of 7 remain, divided by 2. And this 2 is going to affect this and this, right? So x will be equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus or minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we only have square root of 7. And hence, the real value of x that can satisfy this equation is 1 plus or minus square root of 7. If you like, you can split them, but it's not necessary, meaning we have two values. It could either be 1 plus square root of 7 or 1 minus square root of 7. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.